elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. H is for horse. Horse. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for needle. Needle. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Like and subscribe for more videos.